Real heroes don't just fight problems, they help feed their community.
Every healthy meal begins with fresh ingredients. Control is more powerful than strength.
When everyone contributes, every task becomes easier. Healthy food gives us the energy to learn, work, and help others.
Emergency, multi-civilian need assistance.
Dinner can wait, lives come first.
Team, let's move!
Everyone stay calm. We've got you.
No one gets left behind! Together, we're stronger than any machine!
Protect the city. Stand united.
Another mission complete. Now, let's finally enjoy dinner.
A hero's greatest reward is sharing a meal with family.
Kindness, teamwork, and healthy food make every family stronger.
Share a meal. Share hope. Be someone's hero today.
Welcome back, guys. So how did you enjoy that beautiful AI superhero movie? Okay, I know you guys love it. I mean, you need to love it. Even when I came up with that idea, I didn't know it was going to turn out so beautiful and amazing like that. Okay, so family, today I'll be showing you guys how I came up with that beautiful video. Okay, and I did it with one possibly accessible app. Like my subscribers already know me, on this my channel I share only accessible updates, okay, free and accessible updates on this my channel. So today I'll be showing you guys how I was able to do that video you just watched. And not just that, I want you guys to know something. Like I always say, if you want a good story or a good video, you should have a good prompt. It's very important to have a good prompt. You really don't need to have idea of what you want to create. I mean, sometimes I don't even have idea of what I want to create, but I'm always detailed when I'm telling the app I'm using to create my prompt, okay? I'm very detailed down from what I want, how I want them to look, and the story. So if you don't know how to create a prompt, my darling, go back to my videos. I always start with prompt. I always teach how you can create a good and beautiful prompt, okay? Whatever app that you're using, you should be able to be detailed, and you should also be able to differentiate between the style, the 3D pixel and the 3D realistic pixel. So today I will just be moving down to how I created that movie, okay, and the app I used to create the movie, because I don't want people to come to my comment section and start asking me which app did you use, because most of you are fond of doing it. You will not watch the video to the end, you will not subscribe so you can be getting updates, but you will come to my comment section, I mean, and still be putting down what app did you use. I don't like it. But anyways, for clarification's sake, and because I don't joke with my subscribers, like I always say, subscribers are family. So this is the app boldly placed on my screen. This was the app I used to make it possible, okay? So if you're interested, for those that care to create that amazing piece, that AI amazing piece, or create movies, it's not just that kind of animation you can create. You can also create in 3D animation, you can create cartoons, you can even create a Netflix standard style with that app, and it's very accessible. You will love this app. So my darling, stay with me to the end of this video, because I'm going to be detailed. When I say I'm going to be detailed, I'm going to be showing you the process on how you can achieve this amazing piece. For those of you that like to create something like this, Maven's characters and all that, AI Maven's characters. So I'm going to walk you through the steps, and please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? On this my channel, I always share free and accessible updates. Please don't forget to subscribe. Subscription is totally free. If you don't know how to subscribe, beneath this my video you will see a bell there. Just click it. It's free, my darling. You're not going to even be cost or charged 1 naira. And this step and details I'm going to be showing you, you don't even need much. You don't even need experience, okay? Once you have your phone, you have your data, you're good to go. So let's go. I'll be sharing my screen with you guys, okay? So if you're in the right place, just register. This is how your interface will look like. Let's go ahead and click on AI creation, okay? You can see you can make your images here. It has different styles of generating images, and how you want your images to look. So we'll be switching to video. You can see your reference there. That's where you put your image. You can see our model there. So we'll be going with the second model, Citans 2.0. So we go ahead to select the size of the video, okay, and the seconds, the duration we need. Where you see reference is where you'll be putting your image. I already selected my image, then I'm going to copy my video prompt and my dialogue. You click the arrow up, you can see my video is generating, okay.
Every
So
healthy
that's
meal
it.
begins with fresh ingredients.
Real heroes don't just fight problems, they help feed their community.
Check if everything is being placed correctly, okay. I'll move to my prompt, okay. I'm going to copy my video prompt and my dialogue. Paste it. So you can see it's generating, okay. It's very accessible.
The video will be generated using.
When everyone contributes, every task becomes easier.
Control is more powerful than strength.
When everyone contributes, every task becomes easier.
So let's go and paste. So one good thing about this app is that once you download the app, okay, make sure you download the app. Once you download it, you can actually log out and log in with another email, okay, and they will still give you free points which you can use to keep creating. Same thing, you can see my video prompt and dialogue. So let's go and paste it. We generate and wait for the result. Okay, you can see it's ready.
Protect the city. Stand united.
Together, we're stronger than any machine.
Protect the city. Stand united.
Together, we're strong.
Welcome back, guys. You can see it was very easy. Like I always say at the end of every video, if you have any comment or contribution, put it down on the comment section. I interact with everyone on the comment section. My comment section is for interaction, is open for interaction and contribution, okay. For those of you that don't know my name is Mimi, and thank you for watching. See you another day and happy weekend.